Getting to the right solution in less time is why more and more plastics professionals turn to Beaumont for continuing education and training at every level. Beaumont's Plastics Professional Education Series has earned a reputation for challenging accepted standards in injection molding.
Today's injection molding industry is really significantly more complex than it was even 5-10 years ago. Not only are we facing fierce international competition, but we are continually challenging the limits of what we can expect out of injection molding, not only tolerancing of products, thin walling, etc. As a result, what was acceptable design and molding practices just a decade ago are becoming obsolete. And this is particularly the case in the practices we use in designing products and in manufacturing products. We are far too often reliant on older art-based methodologies, rules of thumb, and pseudoscience. And though these filled the void have filled the void over the years, they've really also held us back. So to help address these increasing challenges within the industry at Beaumont, what we've done is developed a series of courses that are founded in solid engineering principles and scientific methods. The courses are designed to help break down and demystify some of the more complex issues that are challenging the industry. So the objective of these courses aren't simply to provide training to the participants that are coming to them. It's to provide a more knowledge-based education.
At Beaumont, we tend to focus more on education versus training. And some of the difference being in that with a training course, students come back from the course and they get back into their routine and they take their binder and they put it on a shelf. And a lot of times that binder sits there and collects dust. But with an education background and the knowledge we're providing, the knowledge is something you can't put on a shelf. And it's that knowledge of plastic rheology, design, whether it's part design, mold design, processing, and troubleshooting, that gives our students the ability to have that critical thought process to go through and challenge what it is that they do every day, industry standards, procedures that they go through, question those procedures, understand the science behind those procedures, and question, is there a better way?
Essentially, anybody that's interested in producing the highest quality plastic injection molded component, in manufacturing that component more efficiently than they've been able to do in the past, and get their product to market faster, should be very interested in these training courses. These courses bridge the gap between current industry training offerings, which are very much process-centric, and the higher level engineering programs that you would get from the university. Beaumont offers 7 unique training offerings, from mold startup, debug, and qualification, the hot and cold runner systems, to injection molding in root cause analysis for quality control and quality assurance, to understanding the complexities of plastic shrink and warp, to mold design for project engineers, plastic flow and design essentials for mold makers, as well as understanding and applying mold filling simulation. These courses are offered on site here in our headquarters in Erie, PA, and we also can offer them on client site on an as-needed basis. And for those that prefer customized training, we offer that as well.
And remember, at Beaumont, we're not offering more of the same process training that's already available within the industry. Rather, we're providing an education on plastic rheology, part design, mold design, processing, and unique troubleshooting methodologies. And it is that education that allows our students to think from the plastics perspective, from design through production.
To learn more or to reserve a seat in an upcoming class, visit BeaumontInc.com or call 814-899-6390.